Hello. Okay, this is video 3 out of the 3-part series. Now, the 3-part series is all about midlife women reinventing themselves and how to avoid getting stuck in the potential traps that I see so many fantastic women get stuck on, and you don't actually need to when you take certain steps to avoid it happening and actually to get out of them really fast. If we haven't met before, my name's Lindsay and I help midlife women to reinvent themselves and create their freedom chapter, which has more purpose, and it's a chapter they love and enjoy. So let's jump in. So the 3 traps that I see frequently with brilliant women, and they fall into these traps, and it's so frustrating because there's no reason to, because you're brilliant, you've got experience, you are so capable, and they're really annoying traps because they make you question yourself. And actually, it's nothing to do with that. It's just you're walking in uncharted territory. Now, just speaking of that very quickly, if you don't know my story, because I've done the major reinvention, back in 2022, I knew I was at this crossroads and it had been brewing for a while. So I decided to get a divorce. I moved from Canada, where we'd raised the kids, back to England with one of my children and started life all over again. And here we are now. I know the turmoil that it sends us into, whether that's a relationship thing, a health thing, or creating a new career step. The career step is where I tend to help people the most, but the other two also come and play into it, because midlife is this, rather than a crisis, let's just say an awakening, because it really is an awakening. It's like everything clears, all the expectations have gone, and the only person who's putting any pressure on you is you. And that can be really hard, and it gets us stuck for ages. So the 3 traps that I see all the time are a lack of confidence, a lack of clarity, and the third one, which I'm going to talk about today, is the lack of action. Now, if you haven't checked out the other 2, go and check out the other 2 videos as well. They're all short, don't worry. So, lack of action. Now, it's very easy, especially if you're used to being quite left-brained and, you've been raising a family, you've been holding down a job, you've been doing all the home stuff, you've been organising kids' activities. You're pretty much, it's not like you're sitting around not doing anything. Action generally isn't your issue. But the problem that raises its head right now is because you're in uncharted territory, and chances are there's not many of your friends have been doing this as well, or family members. You're walking a brand new path and you're in a different place as well. So what that means is it's all new. So it's really easy to want perfection, to want to know that you're making the right step and that what you're doing is going to bring results. But I'm really sorry to say, the truth is there's no way of telling until you start taking the action. The confidence I talk about in step 1 is you need to get to a base level of confidence so you actually believe in yourself again. Now, this level of confidence with the action step is you have to start taking steps into your new chapter, your new freedom chapter, and what you're doing next in order to then create the confidence in this new place. So you may well have worked on your confidence and got confidence of who you are, kind of, your being. But this next step is about creating confidence in moving forward. And it's really difficult if it's all new. And it is all new at this stage. That's the thing. And I go into a lot more detail about this in my group and in my group coaching, which is also free to join, by the way, the Midlife Freedom Club. I go into detail on that, about how you can start to trust yourself more and also trust the process more of what's coming, and, that you are being pulled to your freedom chapter. And so it doesn't have to feel quite so terrifying as it can do. But the other thing that I see is so many women go and buy courses and they don't finish them, or they give up too soon because they think they're doing it wrong, because they're looking for it, to be a logical sequence. And unfortunately, reinventing yourself in midlife, it's not a logical sequence, which is why I, rather than say take these 3 steps, I talk about save yourself from falling in these 3 traps, because that is a fairly predictable sequence and I don't want that for you. So you might come across courses which promise to teach you all the steps in a particular business, and they do. You need to be in a certain place yourself in order to be ready to take that on. So if you're not sure what phase you're at right now, I've made a quiz for you called the Reinvention Readiness Quiz. And so the link is just either above or below this video, depending on which platform this is on. And 15 quick questions, and it'll ask you just to rate how true the statements are, how true or, most true, least true. So go and rate those statements, and it will send you an email afterwards to say, this is where you sit in the table. So this is what your results are. And also this is what your next steps will be. If you think that would be useful, go and jump into the quiz. It will take you a second. And I think it will give you some idea of what your next steps are. And because once you've got that idea, it could save you weeks, if not months. I dread to say years, but possibly years of spinning your wheels and second guessing yourself. All of the time that you're doing that, you're also eroding your confidence and kind of more likely to get into overwhelm and overthinking, which in midlife is easy to do and actually also easy to avoid. I hope that's helpful. God, it's a bit windy, so sorry for the wind noise. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Lovely to have you on board, and so that I can share more videos with you about your midlife reinvention and how you're going to reach your freedom chapter even more easily. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye.